But then he paces up and down the fence line and makes all kinds of horrible noises, whistles, I have no peace here.
Okay, have you tried calling us?
Huh?
Have you tried calling us?
You guys got enough to do, okay? I keep thinking that maybe, because the lady that owns the house, I called her about, and she knows, and she's not going to renew the lease.
Okay.
But
Are you serious?
I don't know